To hide lock screen wallpaper on always on display to save battery on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap always on display. And then tap the blue on off switch next to show lock screen wallpaper until the switch turns gray to turn it off. By doing this, your phone will hide the lock screen wallpaper on always on display, giving your AOD a cleaner appearance and help reduce distraction or save a bit battery, especially if you use a dark theme. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.